Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the engine model and governor type so you know which adjustment method applies. Once done, confirm fuel quality, oil level, and clean air filter because poor conditions mimic tuning problems. Make sure the throttle and choke linkages move freely. Sticky linkage throws RPM off. Now mount a tachometer to a safe point near the flywheel, then set the engine on a level surface. You're ready to run the engine for baseline RPM readings and first adjustments. You warm the engine to operating temperature because cold engines idle differently, and then hold steady throttle at desired speed. Next, loosen the governor or throttle lock nut just enough to turn the adjustment screw. You're changing spring tension or stop height. Turn a quarter turn, wait 5 seconds, and recheck the tachometer. Small moves matter. If RPM rises, back off slightly. If it drops, increase. Make incremental changes until you hit the manufacturer RPM spec within 50 RPM. You finalize by tightening the lock nut while holding the adjustment steady, then immediately recheck the tachometer to confirm the setting held. Make sure to test under a light load condition because RPM can fall under load, indicating you need a slight increase. If the engine surges or won't hold steady, inspect the governor spring, linkage wear, and carburetor float height. Those are common causes. If issues persist, stop and consult a service manual or a technician to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.